Hello loves! Hope you can have a nice day! So ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng banana oatmeal pancake with blueberry. It is super madali dahil 3 ingredients lang ang kailangan mo at so yummy plus very healthy pa siya. So tara! Let's do this loves! So loves, eto na po yung mga ingredients natin. 3 pieces of bananas, slightly mashed na kasi from freezer. 2 long medium-sized eggs. Blueberry jam, wala kasi ako makita ng blueberry sa store. And oats. So ready na? Let's do this! So the first thing we need to do here is ilagay natin yung banana into a bowl to mash it using a fork. Mash lang natin hanggang sa maging fine texture siya. Dual purpose kasi nag-make ka ng breakfast mo habang nag-arm workout ka. So, yung ginamit ko na saging is latundan. So, you go girl, mash it, mash it. Once the bananas is super tulog na, katulad ng puso niya, we'll crack the 2 medium-sized eggs and beat it until the yolk and white are combined. So eggs is one of the superfoods kasi not only is very affordable, it's low in carb and very low in calorie. So kung maging healthy, eat eggs. Once na-beat na natin yung eggs ng mabuti, i-add natin siya sa ating mashed bananas at paghaluin natin silang dalawa para mag-blend hanggang ma-mix na maayos. Finally, we have our butter. So this time, we're going to add oats. 7 tablespoons lang po yung ginamit ko dito. And in-add ko siya gradually para hindi magiging buttery yung butter. So like eggs, oats is very nutritious too. It contains fiber, it's anti-aging, and may help you lose your weight. So the bottom line is, kung gusto mo maging sexy ka, tapos younger looking ka pa, kumain ka ng kumain ng oats. Sana ganun, no? Sana all. Para bang kain ka lang ng kain ng oats, tapos pagkapukas, maladyosa na yung tsura mo. So, mix lang natin yung tatlong ingredients para mag-blend well. Yes, that's it. Nagugutom na ako. So, habang hinihintay natin, I'll entertain you. How do I get through a life without you? If I have to live without you, what kind of life would I live? Tama na nga rihan. So we're down to our last ingredient, which is the blueberry. Now, we are down to our last ingredient, which is the blueberry. So dahil wala nga ako may nakitang blueberry fruit sa store, I'm using blueberry jam instead. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of blueberry jam into the butter. You can also use different fruit if you want. So, ano nga ba yung health benefits ng blueberry? So, according to Google, blueberry is another source of vitamin C. It strengthens our bone and also makes our skin healthy. So, we're gonna mix it well. Pagkatapos mo kumain ito, you'll be maladyosa. We're all set, kaya prepare natin yung pan saka oil. Nagamit ako ng olive oil, pero kahit anong oil pwede rin gamitin. Huwag lang body oil ah. We'll start the flame, but we'll later change it to low heat. No rush, loves. As usual, once the pan is already hot, it's time to put some oil into it. Let's make sure that the pan is already heat before we start frying. So it's already hot. So we need a spoonful of the butter. And let's make sure na sa mga all part natin siya ilagay. Okay, so before flipping the other side, we make sure na brownish na yung kabilang side. I like your eyes, I like your hair when you pretend to get. I like different moves on the corners of the smile that you get. This will take too long, so I'm gonna fast it forward. So let the frying moment begin. It's done! For the final touch, I'm gonna add some honey syrup on it. Konting-konti lang. Konting-konti. Na marami. Okay, that's enough. A little of blueberry jam. Para mas colorful. A little more. And that's it. Oh, I forgot. My fave. Guess what? Chia seeds. Para mas lalong healthy. A little dash of it. And that's it. So ready na for breakfast. Itsura pa lang katakam-takam na. Yummy. Look what I made. I'm proud of myself here. So to complete my meal, let's add a glass of non-fat milk to the ref. So trivia lang ha. For you not to spill the milk down while pouring, you have to turn the milk carton upside down. Try nga. Oo nga, no? Effective. Not really. Time to munch, loves. This will be my breakfast for today. Bon appetit! So to the vlogger, Emmy Wong, thank you for sharing your pancake recipe. It's very nutritious, very healthy, and very palatable. Yummy. Another one. So that's it for now, loves. Bye! Mwah.